Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we will learn names of fruits.
Which fruit is this? Strawberry. This is strawberry. Do you know this fruit? Pineapple. Excellent, this is a pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pear. This is a pear. Which fruit is this? Apple. This is an apple. Do you know this fruit? Orange. Good job, this is an orange. Which fruit is this? Lemon. This lemon. Do you know this one? Cherries. These are cherries. Which fruit is this? Blueberries. These are blueberries. Do you know this fruit? Watermelon. This is watermelon. Do you know this fruit? Banana. This is a banana. Do you know this one? Grapes. These are grapes. Which fruit is this? Peach. This is peach. Which fruit is this? Kiwi. This is kiwi. Do you know this one? Avocado. This is avocado. Do you know this fruit? Melon. This is melon.
Hope you have learned all the fruits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.